Hello, Mike and Tess. Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, Mike and Tess is not new subscriber. I'm testing my microphone if it works. Okay, but I have two new subscriber. Welcome to my new two subscriber. I now have total of I think six, but other one unsubscribed. Maybe five only left, but it's okay. We will have more. Don't worry. We will now check our Apple Watch. Okay, our Apple Watch Nike. Look at this. This is Series 7 and it's unboxing video. Look at that. It's locked in paper. Wow, very nice. Look at that. So it's our first time, guys. So please forgive all my sins when I don't know how to open this box. Okay. Wow, it's very colorful. Interesting. Look at that. Okay, now let's open the box of this new watch. So I'm excited, guys, because it's first time you look. I open it and then there's a container under and then it doesn't open. Guys, you know why it doesn't open? Because it's first time. If you poke, if you bump like that, it doesn't open because there's a sticker. It's sealed, guys. It's brand new. There, it's sealed. So if you remove the green sticker, there, you have to break it. Okay, tear it apart so that it opens up. And then, you can now try to pull the box and see inside. Okay, the Nike Apple Watch strap has hole. If you don't buy the Nike Apple Watch, your strap is different, and then you don't have the Nike app. Okay. So inside the box, you will see all your instructions. If you can read, there's plenty instructions. If you want to entertain yourself, and then while you're in making, number 2, then you read first. Okay, what else is inside there? Plenty instruction. I don't like to read instructions, so I will put it away. And then, guys, inside the box, you will see the charger. Look at that. There's a charger of this Apple Watch. The charger is a circle and has magnet. So when you want to charge the watch, you put it on top. Look at that. There's also same fold. I think I have to open there. I open it and it's a USB-C and then the magnetic charger. Okay, so if you want to charge your watch, you put it there. Okay, and then I don't want to touch. I'll open it later. And then let's open the watch now. Look at that. This is the watch, guys. This is the watch. What is inside? Where's the strap? I think the strap is in the other box. Now, the watch, if you open it, it has kumot. But first, let's get the strap so that we can put it in the watch. So dirty. Yuck. Okay, we will open this and check the strap so we can install in the watch. I have to remove the sticker again, and then I think the strap has different size. Okay, depend on how you're fat or thin. So there's several size, but let's try to open this box and then see what size there is. Wow, more instruction. Very difficult to wear a watch. Plenty instruction, guys. If you don't follow instruction, you don't wear a watch, okay? Wow, there's a strap. It's holding because it can breathe. If there's hole and you exercise, you can breathe, okay? Now, this is the watch. I wonder if we should put the strap on now. It has blanket, look, to cover and no scratches on the watch. Let's take it out and see if it works, okay? We will try to pair with the phone, but I don't know if I can do this because I did not read the manuals. Okay, now let's remove this watch blanket, and then try to put the strap. If it's your first time, guys, to the channel, we buy plenty toys and gadgets, so that when you want to buy, you check this first, and then if you like, you buy yourself. But I check and review for you before you buy, okay? Wait, it's on. Why did it do that? I don't know, but the Apple sign is there. Now I can put the strap. Oh, see, there's two straps. Look below. There's one long, one short. Okay, and then the other one piece only. So you can, if you have big wrists, if you're very round, you can use the big strap. If you're not very round, you can use the small strap. Wow, there. It's telling me what to do. Okay, now to install the strap, you just slide on the side of the watch. Okay, there is a slider, and then you choose, and then you slide it. Okay, so let's do this. Now, for all viewers for today, thank you for watching. If you like new watch, you try this out. It's very nice. I suggest you get Apple Watch, so that, Nike, so that you have Nike app that you cannot download. Thanks for watching. Bye!